If you've ever opened up Premiere Pro and you've seen this message here, then there seems to be a problem. Basically what this means is there is no films or clips or audio clips that are found on the computer area. That's because either the area has been moved, you've changed the direction of the clips, or you might have just changed it from the memory card and you've edited on the memory card straight away. One way we can easily fix this is if you right click on the question mark and click link media, okay, and we're going to find where our image or film is on our system. So if we remember where we actually last saved, and then if you find that art clip, double click it or click open, and then it will add your clip straight away. As you can see on the timeline, it's added my clip to the timeline on Premiere Pro. So once again, you go to your area where you remember saving it last time, you double click that, and hey presto, it's found. You need to do this all the way through until the media offline message disappears. And it's quick and easy to sort out.